In this video, we'll be talking about how to deposit on stake with Bybit. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over to bybit.com, and then from in there, just click onto this buy crypto, and then from in there, click onto this crypto deposit. So what we can do first is we need to buy some crypto that we will send. For example, let's choose BTC right here, and then just choose a chain that you want to use. And then first things first, you can head over and then so once you have bought your actual crypto, next thing you need to do is you just head over right here to our actual exchange option. Or you can also go right here to your trading, and you can see in here some more options as well. Onto the markets, you can see the trades as well as the tools that you can use for this one. So what you can do is you can just head over to your stake and click onto this wallet option, and then click onto this deposit option, and then just choose Bitcoin from this list since we have chosen it earlier. Copy in here this address and then just input it into your Bybit in order to actually deposit you